Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Kumar. I'm your new partner in beautiful journey of learning English. So let's get started from self-introduction. Self-introduction. First of all, greetings. Okay. So your greetings to Shamu. Like good morning or hello or hi. So you can say sir, ma'am or everyone. Okay. Second one is gratitude. Say thanks to or say thanks for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thanks for giving me this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself. And third one is your name, whatever your name is. Try to uh, write simple sentences like my name is Sandeep. Don't say this is Sandeep. This is a very informal type of sentence. Say my name is Sandeep. My name is Rohit. My name is whatever your name is. Age. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Third is location, where you're living. Like I live in Gajipur. Fourth one is your hobbies. I love to read books and teaching. Replace this book or teaching with your hobbies. Okay, it's not compulsory that everyone's hobby is book, reading book or teaching. It's my hobby, that's why I write it here. Write it down your aim last. My aim is to become teacher. Okay, this is about my aim. So whatever your aim is, write it down at the last. My aim is to become teacher or doctor, engineer or whatever you want to become. So this is a structure, beautiful structure. Through this you can impress anyone. Whether you are in interview, you can impress your interviewer, you can impress audience if you are speaking in front of audience. So try to copy this type of structure. Greet first, then gratitude. Show your gratitude to whatever in front of you are talking or you're introducing yourself, and your name, age, location, hobbies and aim. This is very simple. So I would like to practice as much as you can, then only you can get the benefit of this structure. Have a good day until we meet again.